Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you the solution for Jabra Edit Active 4. And if your Jabra Edit Active 4 that they are not working, that the left earbud is not working. So what you can try to do is that we can factory reset them. So you're gonna have a case, right? You want to open the case, you want to both earbuds in, and then you just want to hold both earbuds, press them and hold them for about 15 to 20 seconds. At one point you're going to see like some kind of like blinking, the blinking of the light. Let's just wait for it. See? And right now we finished the hard reset, and this is something that you can try to do if your left earbud is not working, and possibly it's going to work out for you. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you have a great day, and goodbye.